In this video, we are going to discuss about probability of the union of events. Probability of two events, or specifically probability of two events A and B, be calculated using additional probability rules such as probability of A or B or both is equal to probability A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Or can be simplified as probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B. All these events can be represented by using Venn diagram. This is set of A. So this is probability of getting event A. Okay, this is probability of B. Then this is probability of this region, the overlapping region, we call probability of A intersect B. The intersection region has been double counted. We have to deduct one of the overlapping. So that's why we need to deduct, we need to minus B of A intersect B. This area is 1 minus probability of A union B, or can be represented by P A union B complement, or P A union B bar. It means that the all probability of outside the two circles. Okay. Let's see the example. Given set S represent the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let A event that odd number is chosen. Let B event that the chosen number is divisible by 3. Find probability of A, probability of B, probability of A intersect B, probability of A union B, and probability of A union B prime complement. Okay, first thing you have to list down set of A. A is odd numbers. From the list here, the odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And set B is the number is divisible by 3. That is 3, 6, and 9. Number of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And of B is 3. And of S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements. Okay, to find probability of A, the formula is number of getting A over N S, or 5 over 10 is equal to 1 over 2. That one is probability of getting A. For B, probability of getting B, and number of B over NS, number of B is equal to 3 over 10. And this is that one, the answer. Okay. For probability of A intersect B is equal to number of A intersect B over NS. Here you need to find number of A intersect B. Here is 3 share with the 3 inside A and 3 inside B. So A intersect B is 3 and 9. So number of element in A intersect B is equal to 2 over 10 is equal to 1 over 5. 10. For A union B using the formula PA plus PB minus PA intercept B, we substitute the value here 1 over 2 plus 3 over 10 minus 1 over 5. You can calculate and find PA union B is equal to 6 over 10 or 3 over 5. So besides using all the calculation, we still can use Venn diagram to solve the problem. Okay, to set A, set B. Okay, so A intercept B is equal to 3, 9. 3, 9. First, write down 3, 9 to show that this is A intercept B. So for set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For set B, 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, and 9. For set S consists of the number 1 to 10. So the number belongs to A and set B. We need to list down outside here. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so here. So from the Venn diagram, you can see A intercept B is 3, 9. 3, 9. So 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10 equals 1 over 5. And here, A union B, calculate all, A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 or 3 over 5. And now we need to find A probability A union B complement or prime. Probability A union B complement. From the Venn diagram, you can see that A union B complement or outside A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 10 or 2 over 5. Let's say you want to show calculation P A union B outside is equal to 1 minus P probability A union B. Okay, from the here, P probability A union B is equal to 3 over 5. 1 minus 3 over 5 is equal to 2 over 5. You have two methods. Okay, you can find or solve the answer using calculation or using Venn diagram. For the example 2, in a high school class of 28 students, 7 are in both of a volleyball team and basketball team. There are 16 students involved in the volleyball team and in the basketball team. Find the probability that a student chosen at random. Okay, so first thing, you have to, let's say A is a student in volleyball team. B, a student in basketball team. So, number of A is equal to 16. Number of students in B is 10. Number of students who play both is A intercept B is equal to 7. Or we can find improbability and S is equal to 28. Or in probability, P of A is equal to 16 over 28. P of B, probability of B is equal to 10 over 28. Probability of A intercept B is equal to 7 over 28. Okay. A is only in the basketball team. So it's only in the basketball team. Okay, for this one, to solve this question, I suggest you to use Venn diagram. Venn diagram. This is set A, set B. A intercept B is equal to 7. Number of A is equal to 16, so 9. Number of B is equal to 10, that is 3. Total students 28. So 19, 28 minus 19 is equal to 9. Okay. So for A is only in the basketball team. Probability only in the basketball team. Okay, from the Venn diagram, B is basketball team, so only. This is the region for only basketball team. The number is 3 over NS. NS is equal to 28. So answer is 3 over 28. That is answer for part A. Or P only B. Okay, P only in the basketball team means that PB minus PA intercept B. We need to use minus this part because we want only play in basketball team. Okay, not both. So probability of B is equal to 10 over 28 or 5 over 14 minus 7 over 28 both. Okay, is equal to 3 over 28. Settle. Okay, part B is in either a volleyball team or basketball team. Okay, so either in volleyball team or basketball team, okay, equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intercept B. Or probability of A union B, either one, is equal to probability of A is equal to 16 over 28 plus 10 over 28 minus 7 over 28. You can calculate the answer. The answer is 19 over 28. This is for either play in volleyball team or basketball team. For part C, okay, probability is in neither a volleyball team nor the basketball team. So, not volleyball and also not basketball. So, C is probability not A and also not B. Not A or not B. If you want to represent not A and not B, this is not A. The region out of A, not A. Okay, then this is the region not B. Okay, should everything set B. From this one diagram, the shaded region, the double shaded region, orange and blue, this one is outside the two sets. Or we can represent 1 minus, this one is A union B. 1, okay, minus this part. This part is belongs to A union B. So, property not A intersect not B is equal to 1 minus property A union B, or property A union B bar outside. Okay, and from we use this one, okay, this one, 1 minus property A union B is equal to 19/28. So the answer is 9/28. From the two examples, we hope that you can understand what is property of two events or property of the union of events.